Hello! So today is day 14. I just had a fur, sorry. Today is day 14 of the cleaning challenge. And today I'm just sitting here for a second because we're gonna go outside. We're gonna go on a field trip to do this one. We're gonna clean the entry doormats. So we have those big black mats that they're a stinker to clean. You can take a vacuum to them, they don't clean very well. But I have found by doing it this way, it gets them really clean. So we're gonna get them good and clean before winter hits. For us, where we are, we haven't gotten hit by snow yet, but a few places have been hit by snow. Well, we did get snow once, but it didn't stay. It only lasted for like an hour. But anyway, we're gonna clean those, get them prepared for winter, and then we're gonna do them again in the spring, and you're gonna see a night and day difference, because in the spring, they are gross. Like, there's so much salt on them, it's not even funny. Okay, but we're going to go outside. We're gonna get our rubber mat, our rubber broom, our big version of this bad boy, and we're gonna clean those mats. Okay, we're gonna start with this mat here. This one is taped to the floor because if we don't, when we open the door, it just slides because it's tile, it slides, it's dangerous. So we have taped it to the floor. Now, someone's gonna come help me because he is my assistant. I just have to let him snip it. He's in a mood today, guys. Okay. So we're going to take our rubber broom, we're going to use this end, the broomy end, and then we'll also use the squeegee end. The broomy end, the squeegee end, okay? I just feel like using simple words today. And we're just going to, can you see how, oh, hold on, let me bring you closer. Okay, I think you're going to be able to see it a lot better now. We're just going to, pumpkin. See, and this is after I've gone over it with the vacuum. That has attachment for getting pet fur off. Okay, now you're just going to have to move, Mr. Man. Hi, Mr. Man. Okay, and now I'm actually going to brush it the other way to get it out the door, but I need to do that off camera because I need to make sure I'm keeping somebody out from the door. Be back. Okay, so Mr. Man is upset that I kicked him away from the door, but so you can see how clean that is. And that's just going over that with this, and that only took like 2 minutes, not even. Okay, let's go outside. Okay, so I'm hoping you guys can see this. It's really sunny out. But I'm just gonna go over this. And again, this is after me vacuuming it. Just gonna go over it with this and get all that fur off. I had to stand on it though. Okay, be back. Okay, so now that I have that done, I'm actually just going to pick them up and just give them a little bit of a shake. And that's it. I'm going to go put these back inside and call them done. So I hope everybody enjoyed the video, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye.